एबीपी न्यूज आपको रखे आगे।
As a powerhouse of skill and self-confidence, give me 100 energetic youngsters and I shall transform India. He said, today we see this spirit in India's business leaders, sport persons, technocrats, professionals, educationalists, scientists, innovators, and so many others. They push boundaries and make the impossible into possible. But how to further encourage such a spirit among our youth? In his lecture on practical Vedanta, Swami Vivekananda brings out some deep insight. He talks about overcoming setbacks and to see them as a part of the learning curve. Second thing that must be instilled in people is to be fearless and to be full of self-belief. To be fearless is the lesson we learn from Swami Vivekananda's own life too. In whatever he did, he went ahead with self-belief. He was confident about himself. He was confident that he represented an ethos that is centuries old. Friends, the thought of Swami Vivekananda are eternal. And we must always remember, true immortality is to be achieved by creating something of value to the world. Something that will outlive ourselves. Our Puranic stories teach us something valuable. They teach us that those who chase immortality almost never got it. But those who had the goal of serving others almost always became immortal. As Swamiji himself said, only those live who live for others. This can also be seen in Swami Vivekananda's life. He did not go out to achieve anything for himself. His heart always beat for the poor of our country. His heart always beat for the motherland which was in chains. Friends, Swami Vivekananda did not see spiritual and economic progress are mutually exclusive. Most importantly, he was against the approach where people romanticize poverty. In his lectures about practical Vedanta, he says, and I quote, "The fictitious difference between religion and the life of the world must vanish, for the Vedanta teaches oneness," unquote. Swamiji was a spiritual giant, a highly elevated soul. Yet, he did not renounce the idea of economic progress for the poor. Swamiji was a sannyasi himself. He never sought for himself a single paisa of money, but he helped raise funds to build great institutions. These institutions have fought poverty and promoted innovation. Friends, there are several such treasures from Swami Vivekananda that guide us. Prabuddha Bharat has run for 125 years, spreading Swamiji's ideas. They have built upon his vision of educating the youth and awakening the nation. It has contributed significantly towards making Swami Vivekananda thought immortal. I wish Prabuddha Bharat the very best for their future endeavors. थैंक यू वेरी मच।
तो प्रधानमंत्री मोदी को आपने सुना। बड़ी बातें आपको बता दें, स्वामी विवेकानंद का संदेश हम सबके लिए प्रेरणा, इस बात का जिक्र अपने इस संबोधन में प्रधानमंत्री ने किया। आपको बता दें कि प्रबुद्ध भारत पत्रिका जो है उसी की 125वें वार्षिकोत्सव को संबोधित कर रहे थे प्रधानमंत्री। इसी मौके पर ये अहम बातें उन्होंने कही हैं। समस्या को लेकर हमेशा रोना नहीं चाहिए, समाधान खोजना चाहिए। जीवन में सकारात्मकता की कितनी जरूरत होती है इसका भी उन्होंने जिक्र किया है। युवा शक्ति को देश के पावर हाउस के तौर पर देखने की आवश्यकता है। स्वामी विवेकानंद हम सब के लिए प्रेरणा के स्रोत। इन कुछ प्रमुख बातों का उल्लेख प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने अपने इस संबोधन में किया है। तो एक बार फिर से आपको बता दें इस कार्यक्रम के बारे में। प्रबुद्ध भारत जो पत्रिका है, 125 साल हो गए इस पत्रिका को, उसी के वार्षिकोत्सव को संबोधित कर रहे थे प्रधानमंत्री।
एबीपी न्यूज आपको रखे आगे।